Usain Bolt here. So I've just got back into the island, so I just gotten a chance to really see Jamaica. I've seen all the videos around the world that's on Instagram and all, and people always say it's so much more different the way you see it in real action. As you know, I'm always a person that try to give back as much as possible. So today I did a general thing that I came to my school, give to a few people around. You're welcome. Yeah, man.
The world's fastest man is showing he's just as quick to give back. After seeing the devastation left by Hurricane Melissa, Usain Bolt returned to his roots in Trelawny, handing out care packages at his old school, Knibb High. Locals called him Father Bolt, thanking him for showing up when it mattered most. From sprinting for gold to standing with his people, Bolt's message was simple: Jamaica, I'm here to help. This is what leadership looks like.
You're welcome. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You're most welcome.
Father Bolt, one love.
On the way up to share that stop at, just like the riverside where I see a lot of people washing. It's hard to put in words how I feel about what I'm seeing, but Jamaica, I'm here to help in any way possible.
Well, we'll have to take the science back. Yeah. All gone. But these pieces, we can't say where each come from, but we know that's the library. Yeah. All of the top of the library.
Get to move some of my book stuff, or everything damaged.
But the truth is that we never moved anything, we never knew where we would be safe.
Everything come out together, you know?
All the field.
Yeah, man, we know water.
You know the field, yeah, man. Water.
Always have water. You know, but the housing is going to be a tough task.
To the generation, I lose everything, you know? Everything nice down. Yeah, man, we flood out wicked, man. Everything gone, man. We're there for Wednesday, you know? We give thanks to this take, because without this we probably there in the street.
It's time affect me really bad, mash up the whole of my house. Right now I set back my house, I believe. So thanks to Mr. Bolt for giving them food, I appreciate it. Because I never have nothing to eat today. Strength I want. To the world, Mr. Bolt, I'm not hungry. To the world, I'll go with flood out. To the world.
Yeah, we think they mash up, but we have life, you know?
We have life.